when Theia, the object that slammed into Earth in the early solar system, whose debris went into a ring around the Earth and coalesced
to become
the moon.
Wow, what a story.
We know where that can happen. It's not going to happen inside the Roche Limit.
Right.
Just outside the Roche Limit, only there can you have gravitational accumulation. So if you have a ring, nothing's going to happen inside the Roche Limit. Outside, gravity can overcome the tidal forces of Earth on that substance.
Right.
So everyone who talks about Theia making the moon, we all presume, I think accurately, that it formed just outside the Roche Limit.
Right.
For the Earth-Moon system, it's 1/20th of the distance to the moon today.
That's the Roche Limit.
Yes.
Yes.
And that's where the moon would have formed.
Wow.
And it would have been 20 times larger.
20 times larger in the night, in the sky.
In the sky. And so that was the formation of the moon, and it's been spiraling away from us.
Right, it's moving in the opposite direction.
That's another explainer for why the moon is spiraling away from us. It spirals away at about 1.5 inches a year, something like that.
You're leading me slowly. I just feel like I don't know what's going on.